Good morning, everyone. It's Saturday. The sun is just coming up. It was beautiful. The cloud formations are nice. I've been up since probably 3. I couldn't sleep thinking about the kitten. Listen to those birds sound. Anyway. They're waking up too. Oh, let's see who's coming. Somebody's coming to see me. Let's see who it is. It's Noah. Is it little Noah? Big Noah. That's it's hard to tell. I think that's big Noah. I think. And hello, it's Kaizera. Hey, Kaizera. Following me out here. Good morning, Kaizera. Say hello to everyone. Hey there. And who is this? It's Santiam. Look, turn around and say hello to everyone. Say hello. It's Santiam. Hello, Santiam. Yeah, he's very friendly. Let's see who else we got coming over here. There goes one. There. Let's see. Hey, Santiam. I don't know who that one is. Here, okay, this one's called Ethereal. He's very friendly. I'm keeping... Oh, no. Something's got him running. I'm keeping Kaizera, Santiam, and Ethereal. The rest I hope to find good homes for. Yeah, this is Ethereal. Yeah. Yeah. Well, good morning, Kaizera. I haven't seen a doe or the other black cat yet. They might be off hunting. Oh, and by the way, yes, that's an old Pontiac. It's the best I can do, y'all. And y'all got to think, how long has it been since they made Pontiacs? That's just an indication of how old that car is. Anyway. Listen to all the birds, y'all. Listen. I've made maybe a handful of morning videos. I am not a morning person, but I guess since I've been up since 3 worrying. That is pretty though. Let's try to adjust that. Yeah. I do like the formations of the sky. I think it's a piece of art that you only see once and it's gone. Over there, the clouds are dark. Anyway, if I get to bring home the kitten, it will be an adventure. So, happy Saturday, everyone. Thanks for watching.